The ambulance in the back caused a bison stampede when they had to rush a patient to the hospital in Wyoming.
Oh my god.
This hill had been slowly eroding, but the onlookers did not realize just how bad it would turn out in the end.
No, man. No. Oh, man. Чего я что?
This is not an optical illusion, it is simply a fog phenomenon that is covering the lower parts of the city, which makes it look like it's floating.
Okay.
Si quiere pasar.
Ah, pase, pase.
It's really hot.
È incredibile. Deci este absolut incredibil. Este un nori.
This is what iceberg calving looks like. It is the sudden release and breaking away of a mass of ice from an iceberg, which is extremely rare to witness.
Wow, look at that pop up.
There's a shooter.
Oh putain. Oh putain.
Yeah.
I feel bad for Miss Williams.
Ocean foam like this forms when organic matter or pollutants in the water allows wave action to trap air and create huge bubbles.
That is so scary. That is so scary. And listen to that pour over the mountain and come. That is so cool.
These fishermen in Iceland was witnessing some insane wave disruptions, but they did not realize they would find themselves in a swell which turned into a catastrophe.
Hey,
This man accidentally booked a front row seat to a massive landslide. Luckily, his camper stopped just inches short of becoming modern art.
Sta partendo. Sta partendo. Sta partendo. Sta partendo tutto, questo arriva dalla strada.
Oh my god! Woo!
The car over there, our car.
Okay, it's okay.
Look at the car, it's been smashed against the side.
It's okay.
Please, can we go?
It's okay.
Please,
It's
can we go?
relax. I need you. ¿Has grabado, Marina?
Sí.
This is one of the biggest ice calvings caught on camera. It is estimated that over 100,000 tons of ice was on the move.
Almost sight! She is coming! The Kraken! The glory! Holy shit! You were not kidding that these things come underneath. You were not kidding, my guy. Oh, this is amazing.
You may have seen a double rainbow, but have you ever seen a double tornado?
Tu się zbliża do nas coraz bardziej, mamuś.
Spokojnie. Będzie za górkę.
It's actually moving toward me. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Come on. It's coming toward me. The heck? Oh, snap. Oh my god, it's raining trees. It's like literally a hailstorm. Are we okay? Is there anything above us?
I don't know, I told you a piece of my ceiling came out.
Oh my god.
Look at the,
Oh my god.
oh my god, and then I forgot. Look at this.
We might want to stand back a little bit from the window. Because these are getting pretty big. Oh, these are beyond baseball size.
This is insane.
This is what happens when the ground drinks so much water it gets bloated and burps, turning the tree into a surprise nature-powered sprinkler.
有伤。
哈！
我的妈！
看看看看！
我的妈呀！我
这下看见了吗？
我是塌方
啊！我是塌方。
Аккуратней. Еще один идет. Еще идет, аккуратней.
When large sheets of ice suddenly make scary noises, it's due to thermal expansion or movement of the ice, which is going on here.
It's one of the craziest things I've ever experienced. I've heard it, just not like this.
Good, eh? That's probably the best stampede that I had. Yeah.
Wow.
Woo!
Allora, Alucinante.
Meeting a polar bear like this might be the last thing you will ever do, as polar bears are natural predators and will eat anything, including you.
rooftop pool sounds like a dream until an earthquake hits.
Ôi, แผ่นดินไหวเนี่ยโอ้โหน้ำกระจายเลยโอ้โหดูดิเฮ้ยโอ้โหน้ำกระจายเลยคิดว่าหน้ามืด
Pufferfish blow themselves up when scared because yelling "Don't eat me" doesn't work underwater, but turning into a spiky water balloon usually does.
Should we move? Oh God, he's on the boat. Okay, maybe we should move.
I know, I want to, but I don't want to turn the engine on right now.
Oh my God, babe. Whoa. Okay, we gotta get out of here.
In March 2025, thousands of sardines washed up on a beach in India. Scientists said the rare phenomenon was caused by a change in water temperature.
That's crazy how much stuff is just built up right there. Oh my.
E incredibil. Deci este absolut incredibil. Este un nor imens.
This guy found himself in a huge rockfall while going hiking in Pakistan. The only thing that one should do in a situation like this is to hide as good as you can.
Аккуратней! Еще один идет. Еще идет, аккуратней.
This is what happens when a city that is usually always warm suddenly experiences ice on the roads.
Right back up here if it gets right. Well, I just got to